Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi is connected but no internet. For this, simply go to the settings and tap on the option connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Here you can see the Wi-Fi is enabled. To fix this one, simply disable the Wi-Fi and again try to reconnect this one. Again try to enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, now I already enabled for the auto connect to this network. First of all, we need to forget this network. For this, tap on settings icon, tap on forget. Okay, then you need to reset your network settings. For this, simply go to the main settings page, go down, tap on developer options. Go to the general management, tap on a reset. Then here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on reset. You can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Now go back. Then go to the connections. Then again try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Tap on connect. It is connected. Actually, this simple method can solve the problem quickly. So simply in this way we can fix the Wi-Fi is connected but no internet on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.